Hey there, artists! Welcome to another drawing guide, where we'll go through the process of drawing one of the most popular characters from the animated series Arcane. Of course, I'm talking about Jinx. This guide consists of 20 steps, and very soon we'll go through each one in detail. But before we start, as always, I want to remind you that in the description of this video, you'll find a link to a page where you can purchase unique, hand-drawn coloring pages. These will immerse you in a creative process where you can bring various animal scenes to life and really have fun experimenting with colors. Each coloring page is created in vector format, meaning you can print them at any size without losing line quality. The details will remain crisp and sharp, no matter how big or small you choose to print them. I also want to say a huge thank you to everyone who watches the videos all the way to the end. This helps the channel grow and makes it possible for more people to discover these tutorials. And of course, I truly appreciate all the likes, comments, and new subscribers. Your support makes a big difference and allows me to keep creating more and more drawing guides on a regular basis. All right, let's get started. As usual, the first two steps will focus on building the basic sketch, which will help us lay out Jinx's face and upper body. This foundation is crucial for maintaining the right proportions, and from here, we'll start adding details in the following steps. And just like that, we've reached the final steps of the guide. At this stage, you can choose to ink your final sketch with a pen or ink. And once the ink has dried, carefully erase all the pencil lines to get a clean and polished look. If you prefer to keep it as a pencil drawing, just erase the rough sketch from the first two steps and make any necessary refinements, whether that means adjusting some details, adding missing elements, or correcting anything that feels slightly off. To give Jinx her signature look and bring her to life, I've provided a simple color reference that you can follow for the final colored version of your drawing. And with that, thank you all for watching. A huge thanks to everyone who leaves a like and subscribes, as I mentioned before. This is incredibly important for helping the channel grow and for allowing me to create even more new drawing guides featuring your favorite characters. Also, don't forget that in the description, you'll find a text version of this guide with high-quality images. This way, you can follow along at your own pace without needing to pause the video constantly. Thanks again for watching. I try to publish new guides every day or every other day, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss anything new. See you soon in the next guides. Take care and happy drawing.